a minute.
Me.
Okay, let's do one thing. Everything I am will be done by Vedika, and thank you God done by Khanak. Okay, chalo. Join your hands and close your eyes, everyone. Yes, Vedika, please start.
Everything I am, everything I be, I keep it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully, thankfully. Every song I sing, every praise I pray, everything I do is a gift to you. Everything I have, all you've given me, I keep it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully, thankfully.
Very nice. Yes, Khanak, now you will say thank you God.
Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything.
Very good. So God bless you. God bless you. Good morning. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Everyone.
Good morning,
So,
ma'am.
yes, good morning, Yanvi. So, good morning, everyone. Now, please write down the date in your chat box.
Ma'am, I drink water.
Yes, Yanvi. Yes, Shiven, the date is correct, bacha. Write down the date. What is the date today? Shlok, Vedika, Pakhi, Yanvi. Okay. Shlok, Pakhi, Yanvi is correct. Vedika, you have written the wrong month, bacha. The month is October, so it will be 10. Nivan, the date is correct. Okay, so what is the date correct? The date is 5th October 2021. Okay, 5th October 2021. And for October, we are going to write number 10. Okay, and the day is today, Tuesday. Date is 5th October 2021 and the day is Tuesday. Yes, Hriday, Vedika and Shlok correct. Nivan correct. Now, Prayag correct. This is your first class and your first class is your maths class. Okay. So, we are going to do the recap of addition and subtraction. Okay. So, take your maths notebook, open the new page and write down the date. And what you have to do, I will
I'm
tell you.
not lecture head book.
Maths notebook. You need to take the maths notebook. Everyone take the maths notebook.
मैम मैथ्स नोटबुक में मैम मैथ्स हेड बुक में कुछ नहीं करना है.
नहीं, अभी we are not going to do anything right now in maths ahead book. Today we are going to do the recap of addition and subtraction. Otherwise you will forget. Okay, so today we will do the recap of addition and subtraction both. So I will share you the screen. You will write the question also and you will write the answer also. Okay, you are going to do it by yourself. Now you're a big child to do. Take your notebook, write down the date, today's date. Open a fresh page, write down the date.
मैम क्या करना है?
Addition and subtraction we are going to do, Vedika.
It's easy.
Yeah, it is. So this is the first question, how you will write. Just a minute.
Can my mother? Can I tell my mother to do this preparation?
No, it is very easy. No need to write the heading. That's fine. If you can take a help of your mom for writing the heading, but you can write the question 8 plus 2, the first question. Now write it down. I'm saying also. Are you done writing the date? It's okay. You can take a help for writing the heading addition. Then you will write the question in this way only, and you will write the answers also.
मैम जरा
Yes, ma'am. Please tell me.
this much is done by Shivan 2 plus 1 3 hours.
He has done this page.
Yes.
Oh, just a minute, huh? Then I can little bit do the smaller. Then he has to wait for some time, ma'am. Kanak, are you there? What are you doing? So the first question you will write 8 plus 2. Then you will write the answer. 4 plus 4. 7 plus 3. 5 plus 0. 2 plus 1. Okay? The same way.
Ma'am, can you large?
Okay. I hope everybody is doing. Yes, Kanak? Yanvi, Paki, Prayag, Hriday, Het, Hime.
Yes, ma'am. Why? Ma'am, 1 second only. Ma'am, mera done.
Done, Het? Okay, I will check the answers. Okay, just a minute. After finishing everyone, we will cross out check the answers.
मैम 5 तक ही करना है.
No, bacha, all the 10.
ओके मैम. ये इधर क्या करना है?
Again, this is also addition. Number 6, 7 plus 2. One is vertical, one is horizontal. That's the difference, nothing else. But you have to do the addition only.
Done, ma'am.
Very good, Shiven. If you are done, then very nice. Just wait for some time and then we will check the answers. Okay, bacha? The sixth is 7 plus 2. Okay? You will write it in this way. 5 plus 1. 3 plus 3. 6 plus 1. 2 plus 2.
ऐसे सेम तरीके से लिखना है।
Yes, 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 bacha. Yes. Same way.
मैं वैसे ही लिख रही हूँ।
Good.
मैं 7 पे हूँ।
Okay, no problem.
क्या फूल आउटफिट? I'm done.
Done, Paki? Then very good. Just a minute, huh? Wait for others to complete.
I'm done.
Done? Okay. Yanvi, you are also done? Very good. What about Prayag? Shlok?
Last बाकी।
Arav? Okay, bacha. What about Arav?
Done, ma'am.
Done? Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Very nice. Now let's check the answers then.
Ma'am, 1 minute बस। पापा। Ma'am, last.
I'm done.
I am done.
Very good.
Done.
Okay. So let's check the first answer. 8 plus 2. What is the answer? 8 plus 2. Who will tell me? 10. Okay. First answer is 10. Correct. So 8 plus 2 is 10. Next we have 4 plus 4. So what is the 4 plus 4? 8. Okay. Yes, yeah, correct. Now, okay. Now the question number 3. That is 7 plus 3.
10.
Yes. 7 and we will add 3 more. So how many are there? 10. So 7 plus 3 is 10. Next we have 5 plus 0. Okay, 5. Then 2 plus 1. 3. Correct. Yes, Kia. Yes, Kia. Yes, Paki, it is correct. Now, just a minute. Coming to next, number 6. 7 plus 2. Okay? 9 is correct. Then, yes. 1 is 6. Khanak, you are right. Your all answers are correct, but I have not finished the check of checking the all answers. We have not done till 10 number. So 5 plus 1 is 6. That is correct. Then next is 3 plus 3 again. Very good. Yes, Kia. Correct. Yes, Yanvi. 3 plus 3 is 6. Then 6 plus 1. The answer is yes. Correct. And the last one is 2 plus 2 is 4. Very good. Very nice. So this is all about addition where we have done. Now, in the same way, we are going to do the subtraction. Yanvi, please mute your microphone, bacha. Okay. Now, in the same way, we are going to do for subtraction. Okay. So let's do the subtraction.
Today or what?
What?
Today.
Yes, today, right now. Okay, so this is the recap of subtraction. In the same way, you can give the heading subtraction, take the help of your mom, and as you can do it afterwards also. Now here the questions are, okay, 5 minus 1, 7 minus 2, 5 minus 4, 6 minus 2, 8 minus 2. You can see on the screen. Yanvi, you have to write it by yourself. You can take a help of mama just for heading, okay?
मैम हेडिंग ही लिख रही हूँ मैम.
Okay, then fine.
मैम 8 तभी है.
8, 9, 10 भी है बच्चा. 8 is written, 7 minus 2. Okay? It is 7 minus 2. Done?
Done, ma'am.
Very good. Just wait for others to complete, okay? Then we will check the answers.
मैम 6 में क्या है?
6 is 3 minus 0.
सॉरी 5. 5 में मैम
5 में 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5.
मैम 8 minus
8 minus. Think Think. What is the answer? 8 minus 8. I'm not going to tell you. So think.
0 हो गया.
True.
मैम.
Yes, bacha.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now let's check the answers. Okay, then let's check answers. So the first was 5 minus 1. So what is the answer? 4. Okay, so 5 minus 1 is 4. Then we have 7 minus 2. So what is the answer? 5. Correct. Then 5 minus 4. So what is the answer? 1. Okay, so the answer 1 is correct. Yes, Shiven, correct. Then we have 6 minus 2. Yes, correct. 4. It is correct. Now 8 minus 5. So what is the answer? 3. Now here 3 minus 0. What is the answer? Yes. So there will be no change in the answer. 3 minus 0 will be 3. 6 minus 3. 3. Then next is 7 minus 2. Once again it is 5. And 4 minus 1. 3. And as Yani was asking, 8 minus 8. 0. There will be nothing you have left. Okay, so if you have 8 chocolates and you eat all the 8 chocolates, so you don't have anything. So 8 minus 8 is 0. So here we have done the recap of addition and subtraction. I hope you remember how to do. Okay, you didn't forget it. Okay, so chalo, here we are done with our maths class. Then now see you in the next class. Okay.
Bye, ma'am. Mami, आप भेजोगे? Bye, ma'am.
Bye, बच्चा. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.